Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you there is a two ways to run your React Native Expo app. The first one, we can run the React Native Expo app through the Expo Go app. So the app will be run from the Expo Go app. So the second one, we can run our app from the native code. So for that we need to install the React Native Expo Prebuild. So now you can see we do not have the native code, like we have the node modules in other my project code, but we do not see any native code like a iOS folder. We do not see any iOS folder and Android folder. So for that, just come here and just type npx expo prebuild. This is the command. You will be get the native folder and your expo project. So now it will take us some time to get the project. You can see now you can see I just get the iOS folder and this is the Android folder. And also you can do one thing more. You can add your iOS and Android folder in the get ignore file like this. So that will be also not saved in your GitHub. Now if I yarn iOS, so now you can see my project will be run from the native folder. So now you can see now. So now you can see our app is run, but not from the Expo Go. It create the separated native app. You can see. So this is the benefit of the pre-built command. The app will be created from the native code, not from the Expo Go. So just open the app. You can see. So you can see this is my app that's run from the not from the Expo Go. That's run from the native code. That's run from the native app. So like this, we can create our app from the Expo Go and also from the native code. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.